So today, came back to California to visit my family. My dad's got this old hatchet. We're using it, but the head was just coming off, nothing left to it. Split in half this way. So, got busted up. Sweet little hatchet head. So we're gonna make a new hatchet handle for it. This old was a big log of olive wood, just olive stump, and I mean it weighs 150 pounds, 200 pounds, and it's not even that big. So anyways, I split a piece off. We're gonna try making that into a handle. So I've got to mill this down, get some square edges on it. So I'm gonna see about running it through this. I'm gonna try setting it up on a piece of flat wood, running it through. Look how beautiful that is. Man, that is, and it's gorgeous. It smells like dates. Wow, 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 that is beautiful, goodness. Oh, it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. Yeah, look at that. Oh, just gorgeous. Man, it is gorgeous wood though. Look at that. I mean, just different colors, kind of splits through there. So this is gonna be, oh, fun piece to work with. Goodness. Try and take more off this side and work it off. Okay. We got it about down to the size we want and the shape and everything. Got it on about 1/2 inch.
I agree.
Having that shape helps us so like your hand can slide up, but then
yeah,
it's really hard to, you can, well, once you get to that point, your pinky catches and you can really hold super tight.
yeah.
Getting the nice kind of waves in there. Okay, so we still need to go in a little deeper. So it needs to come a little bit lower. Yeah, pretty much there. I'm gonna drive it so that it really sits in that cradle. Cradle this back a little more so it sits right in that groove. That way I can have this be flush, put in some good wet wedges in there, and make that sit nice. So that sits quite well. Upgrade done. Now I'll do this. Make this into a better wedge. Voila.
Voila.
So we got some Watco Danish oil golden oak. Honestly, not picky about the color as long as we get a good stain. I love this wood. Oh my gosh.
That's really pretty.
Gorgeous.
It looks like wood.
Look at that. I don't want to take it home, man. Okay, so we're gonna set Michael to cleaning up the hatchet head. I dinged it up a little bit, putting it in that vise, so we'll have to work with that. Here he goes.
That's a lot for us to see.
Oh yeah, there you go. American Fork and Hoe Co. 1944. Nice. starting to kind of blow apart a little, so I'm going to cut these off. Put the head on there now. How to oil the handle. This thing at the top.
Do you think
Once that wood swell up a little. Here we go. All right, so see how she runs. Charm. Definitely needs some sharpening. Just kind of smashes it. But since I have to leave, we're gonna have to have Dad do that.